B-type thermocouple is a specific type of thermocouple used for high-temperature measurements, especially in industrial applications such as glass, steel, and ceramic manufacturing.
Composition. Type B thermocouples are made of the following materials: positive leg, BP, platinum 30% rhodium, PT 30% RH. Negative leg, BN, platinum 6% rhodium, PT 6% RH. Temperature range. Usable range 0 degrees Celsius to 1700 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 3092 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum range up to 1800 degrees Celsius, 3272 degrees Fahrenheit, but with reduced accuracy. Note, below 50 degrees Celsius Type B has very low thermoelectric output, making it unsuitable for low temperature measurements. Output. EMF produces very low voltage at lower temperatures. EMF is similar for rising and falling temperatures, making it stable and repeatable at high temperatures. Key features: high stability at elevated temperatures, good resistance to oxidation. Can be used without protective atmosphere, not very sensitive to small temperature changes due to low EMF output. Applications: heat treatment furnaces, glass and ceramic kilns, steel processing, laboratory research in high temperature environments.